Hey makers, check out this new 3D design. A bidirectional lamp perfect for indoors and outdoors. Holding the LED modules, we arrange them in pairs, leaving only one connection end available. Time to fit the LEDs. Place the modules into their slots, making sure the longest side stretches from end to end. Lock them in place and get ready to shine. Pay attention to this step. First, we attach the back cover to the Minion box on the wall, threading the 12 volts cables through the circular hole. Once it's firmly in place, we snap on the front, making sure the inner tabs hold the LED modules securely. Perfect fit. Final step, just screw in both sides and that's it. Lights on and job done. And that's it, makers. Our bidirectional lamp is ready to light up any space. If you like this design, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Viking Zone, and hit the notification bell for more awesome projects. See you in the next video. Time to print and create.